मैं प्रिया. मैंने ये कार CSD के थ्रू ली है. मैंने किरण ऑटोमोबाइल से ली है and they have helped me a lot because getting a car directly from showroom is quite different from getting through CSD. It has a long procedure and all, and each member, each staff has helped me in each and every process of getting through CSD in many ways, and it was a smooth process indeed with them. Thank you so much, Kiran Automobiles, and each and every member. Thank you so much for making this trip go so smooth. Thank you.